Hey everybody, it's Marianne with Experian, and today we're going to be talking about the nuts and bolts of selling a house. Between getting your home ready, setting a competitive price, and finding a potential buyer, selling your house can be extremely stressful. We're here to help make things a little easier. This step-by-step guide is going to walk you through the process from start to finish. So let's go. The first step is to make any necessary repairs. It's really important that you put your best foot forward, especially in a competitive housing market. If your house is in rough shape, it could turn off buyers or just prevent you from getting the best offers. So you'll want to start with anything major. If you've got a leaky roof or an issue with your foundation, you'll want to tackle those things first. You can also think about making upgrades that could increase your home's value. That may be as simple as replacing your garage door or as involved as a full kitchen remodel. It's up to you. The next step is to find a real estate agent. The right real estate agent can help you price your home, negotiate with buyers, and better understand your contract. So where do you find a real estate agent? You can ask around from friends, family members, neighbors. You can also search online. But no matter which way you go, it's really important to read reviews and schedule interviews with real estate agents to see who you connect with before deciding on who you want to hire. The next step is to set a competitive price. Ordering a home appraisal can help you determine your home's actual market value. You can also ask your real estate agent. They should be able to review recent sale prices for similar properties in your area. That can help you better understand how you want to price your home. After that, it's time to get your house ready. Remember, when potential buyers walk into your home, they want to be able to envision themselves living in the space. So it's in your best interest to do a deep clean, declutter, take professional photos, and just make it look nice and warm and welcoming. Now is also the time to tend to your home's exterior and improve your property's curb appeal. From there, you can schedule open houses and private viewings with interested buyers. After that, you'll want to review offers and start negotiating. So this is about more than just accepting the highest bid. You'll also want to think about which buyers are financially ready to close the sale. So for example, have they been pre-approved for a mortgage? Do they have their down payment locked and loaded and ready to go? These are really important questions. You'll also want to make sure that your closing timelines align. Another thing you can think about is if there are any contingencies. So these are situations where the buyer is allowed to walk away from the deal. So for example, if they have a home inspection contingency, if a home inspection reveals an issue that affects the home's value, then the buyer might choose to walk away from the deal. But if everything looks good, you can follow through with negotiations and settle on a sale price that feels good. If all goes well, the final step is to close on your home sale. That involves making any repairs that you agreed to make. And from there, you'll want to deep clean your home and contact your utility company so that they know someone new is moving in. From there, you'll gather all the necessary documents, head to the closing table, and finalize the deal. For more on how to sell your house, click on the link in the description box below. See you next time.